Hey, so if you're getting Typeform form errors, yeah, like your form won't submit, shows a message, or just behaves weirdly, don't worry. In this beginner guide, I'll walk you through how to fix it step by step. First, look closely at the error message. Typeform usually tells you what's wrong, like missing fields or connection issues. Next, make sure all required fields are filled. Yeah, missing even one required answer can stop the form from submitting. Now, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt form submission and cause errors. After that, just refresh the page. Sometimes the form session gets stuck and a quick reload fixes it. Yeah, this one helps a lot. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Old data can conflict with new form updates. If you're using extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools, they might interfere with Typeform. Try disabling them and test again. Now, check your logic settings or hidden fields. Sometimes errors happen when a required field is hidden or skipped by logic. After that, try opening the form in another browser. Yeah, this helps you figure out if the issue is browser specific. So, yeah, that's how you fix Typeform form errors as a beginner. Usually it's something simple like required fields, cache, or browser issues. Try these steps and your form should work smoothly again. Thanks for watching. Hey,